Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Today we're here with Fully Bad with a song called 14. So I'm sitting in the comment section say Fully Bad this couple artists. If I react to it, said this one, 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 and 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Two bad artists, We know what 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎��� is capable of. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 a bad clash artist. We see what 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 did to Joshy. Fully Bad there, we see how Fully Bad deal with Unruly Fest. So these are three crazy artists, dog. If war should start between two artists, I don't mind which two, because the three of them bad. Anyway, I'll jump in the one and hear where Fully Bad I say, don't know Fully Bad big up the water. 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Let's see what the G said. Let's go, man.
If it done talking,
Done.
one done, and there's no other done.
Yo, team upgrade.
Any other than a Clarendon.
Rifle power. No boy, man. Remember that, man.
Rococo.
No time, man. You hear that? Stay simple,
So that voice was Black Man's voice in court. Black Man from the Black Man we get sentenced with you from Clans and one other. That was his voice. Any other than a Clarendon. Alright, so that was done talking. Alright.
Done talking, one done, and there's no other done.
Yo, team upgrade.
Any other than a Clarendon.
Rifle power. No boy, man. Remember that, man.
Rococo.
No time, man. You hear that? Stay simple mathematics. Watch a prayer.
Logo. Pick up yourself.
Yo, bad gang. So here's we put another dopey on the 40. 1 3. Me just want to get the photo up on my phone screen. Confirm.
Bombo clot. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. You see up on TikTok from there, I do your thing. Music.
Me just want to get the
music. No, take this. No, take this with G. Music.
photo up on my phone screen.
Man said this one get the photo up on the phone screen. Who up on the phone screen? 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. I love the time I hear
Just
ya.
want to get the photo up on my phone screen. Confirm. Man, you talk up the place and shake up your whole scene.
And the artists them don't have nothing personal. A music. So we know the fans them take it personal. A music the people them do. You see Coyote and 𝐷𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 got it. That was a good show. The two artists ended up on the same rhythm. Where there we see like a thing start with TJ and Byron. It never got too far still. But it seems like it get physical. We don't want that in the music. We don't want that in the music. No, we don't want God jail, no. So we don't want that in the music. You see me? Keep the thing musical, brother. Vice you want here. Yeah.
And shake up your whole scene. So fuck more gate, stop sing our. A TikTok live in my live off.
You just mentioned TikTok because that's where him go live a lot. So the man say, fuck more gate, stop sing or what? Then here, Taps and Roses. A TikTok live in my live off. Wait a minute.
Shake up your whole scene. So fuck more gate, stop sing our. A TikTok live in my live off. Long rifle, a chick no baby gardener. Sing sweet like he make out a piano. Play like guitar, right? Shame it on. No dance system, we no live under.
Fully Bad a bad bumbuckler lyricist, you know. Me not wanting to take him light in a dog. Me not wanting to take the G light, bro.
So fuck more gate, stop sing our. A TikTok live in my live off. Long rifle, a chick no baby gardener. Sing sweet like he make out a piano. Play
Long rifle a kick. Yo.
So fuck more gate, stop sing our. A TikTok live in my live off. Long rifle, a chick no baby gardener. Sing sweet like he make out a piano. Play like guitar, right? Shame it on.
It shame Itana. So he must say the rifle sing sweeter than Itana, so Itana shames that the rifle sing sweeter than her. It's not a diss to Itana. Don't get it wrong. Him does a reference Itana as a bad singer. So he must say the rifle sing better than her, even though she a bad singer. Get it?
Sing sweet like he make out a piano, play like guitar, right? Shame Itana. No dance system, we no live under. Brother, no make him mad side, chick off back. We no kill and stop, but before grey beard, for me father.
So him bad from him young, him bad from grey beard upon him father, him bad from him father young too. So him bad from even when him younger. Like me say, we see how him deal with Unruly Fest. We see him create one heap of dopey over there. So me and the man create over there. So we see all of that shit. You see me? Yeah. So he must say, yo, if you don't want me to dig up at the side, then we can do it. One of the pan.
It's shame Itana. No dance system, we no live under. Brother, no make him mad side, chick off back. We no kill and stop, but before grey beard, for me father.
So him say make the mad side trigger off back. So he might go back to the earlier days of Fully Bad. When Fully Bad was fully bad. Now he's still fully bad.
But him and I send him gift, pull up all the premises. But before grey beard, for me father. But him and I send him gift, pull up all the premises. And me live not tell my bill, man they shut up everything.
But him and I send him gift. But him and I send him gift on TikTok. Somebody leave that in the comment section, cause I don't know how go on this.
Bad side chick off back, we no kill and stop. But before grey beard, for me father. But him and I send him gift, pull up all the premises. And me live not tell my bill, man they shut up everything. Then wash up your nasi, make a bad go pan the zik. Make it AK flick, brain go the opposite.
Make it AK flick. You don't know, so the G did say AK flick. AK, you know what is a AK flick, batty boy. Yeah, he wants to make the AK flick, so that's all.
But him and I send him gift, pull up all the premises. And me live not tell my bill, man they shut up everything. Then wash up your nasi, make a bad go pan the zik. Make it AK flick.
Man say, hell me live. Not tell me bill, hell me live. So everything have to get killed. He must say, yo, them wash up. You know, say them wash up. Nothing not go on for them. So he must say, Gage wash up. I TikTok him depan. I beg taps and rose.
Beard for me father. But him and I send him gift, pull up all the premises. And me live not tell my bill, man they shut up everything. Then wash up your nasi, make a bad go pan the zik. Make it AK flick, brain go the opposite. Gunman up on the shift, head I open up to me. I'm more badness I know, on a ring a rosy thing.
Badness and now, and a game thing, and a play thing, and a ring a rosy thing. That more to know, and badness and now.
Man up on the shift, head I open up to me. I'm more badness I know, on a ring a rosy thing. No. Man, the dark up the place, apocalypse. What go on? So easy we put another duffy on the 40. Simple. Me just want to get the photo up on my phone screen.
Blood clot! So, the photo up on the phone screen, I tell you who him attack. Second verse.
Oh, I am. Man, the dark up the place and shake up.
Him say, him?
Oh, I am. Man, the dark up the place and shake up the whole scene. Oh. No know badness and go make them force him. Them no wicked like a wick, boss berry in a silk. I'm in my like run cause they left me a sick.
They no wicked like a me, boss berry in a silk. The boss, silk boss, berry in a silk. And turn it around, boss. Silk, boss. Jesus Christ. Him no like run, the left knee is sick. I want to, me have asthma to, me can't run.
Them no wicked like a wick, boss berry in a silk. I'm in a like run, cause the left knee is sick. What's me asthmatic, 16 with a scope on a one balcony. Yo, send anybody, me don't pay them a scratch me. I'm me auntie the fuck, me can't sleep without this. Extended the clip, senseless, not sensitive. And the devil in a me, pussy run up by you see. I put me heart in a fridge and close it by gun like Rose to the 5th gen close me.
Me put my heart in a fridge and close it by gun like grocery. Me 5th gen close me. Ooh! Ooh! Ooh!
Extended the clip, senseless, not sensitive. And the devil in a me, pussy run up by you see. I put me heart in a fridge and close it by gun like Rose to the 5th gen close me. But like Montana Tony, who a chat, just wait till we hold him.
Bad like Montana Tony, bad like Tony Montana. Do the history on Tony Montana if you don't know.
But like Montana Tony, who a chat, just wait till we hold him. Yo, boy, headshot. So easy we put another duffy on the 40. But girl, me just want to get the photo up on my phone screen.
Uptown.
Man, we dark up the place and shake up the whole scene.
I watch it.
No know badness and go make them force him. So easy we put another dopey on the 14. Me just want get the photo up on my phone screen.
Headshot. One Uptown.
Yo, I don't know where fully bad smart, you know. Notice, fully bad could have this anybody else in a dance hall. Anybody, any other lyricist, guess who him pick for this? 2 lyricists where him know say we give him a good clash. The boss pick 2 person where him know say we give him a good fucking clash, brother. Gauge, we see where Gauge and Shano go at it, bro. 2 mad artists, bro. We see it. Speaking of Shano, in Mrs. Shano post up some old clip when time him and Gauge did a clash. And them say, yo, them forgot who we be. I think they becoming I read the comment section, and I think that those are going at Tentic because Tentic must mention the name or some shit. They must say, I don't know. But me can tell Tentic say in already for Shano still. Me can tell him say in already for Shano. No, me can tell him. Back to this though. Yo, the man picked 2 artists so him know say, yo, I got game a run for him money if push come to shove. Silk Bass, bad artist. But the 2 artists them didn't do nothing. Like Silk Bass a drop 1 and few song, we not hear nothing from Gauge really. The fully bad draw them out. Fully bad draw them out with that one. Bumbo clat if one of them answer. Hoy! If one of them answer, it's gonna be a clash. It's gonna be a clash. Cause I know fully bad ready. I know Gauge ready. Gauge always been ready, bro. Gauge always been ready. But is a thing like if them are gonna answer. I think Silk Bass will definitely answer. I think Silk Bass is going to answer. And I think Gauge is gonna answer too. And 2 of them are gonna answer. Hi! What's the clan? Yo, if them answer, I don't see me react, that means I not see it. You understand? So if them answer, tag me. Let me know. You see me? Just let me know so them things go on. Put in the comment section of this video. Let me know so your happenings go on. You see me? Yeah. This is I'm gonna leave down still. If you enjoyed that one, I want to see more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new. And I will see you, my friends. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Bumbo Club.